Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. You know, I never know where to film in a hotel room, you know, because like right now I have like this lamp sticking out of my ear. I'm in Bangkok and very excited about this trip because it's my first time in Asia, so I've finally touched the Asian continent. One of the most difficult things when you travel is if you don't know the language, and in my case I do not know Thai. You know, it's going to be a little bit more complicated, although a lot of people in touristy places speak English, and English is basically the universal language when you travel, so it's important to know English. It really helps a lot. Today I'm going to attempt to take the BTS, which is the mass transit system, or also known as the Skytrain. I'm giving you an introduction here in the hotel room, but I am going to show you everything. I'm going there, so you guys will see everything. So there are two lines, the Siam line, and the second line is the Sukhumvit. Okay, these two lines cross or are connected at Siam, okay, or Siam, depending on what language you're speaking. I actually want to go to Siam Station because there's a lot of shopping there, and the first thing I want to do in Thailand is shop. Isn't this terrible? But I think it would be good to show you guys what the train, well, what this Skytrain looks like. If you're interested in taking the metro, the subway, you can take it at Asok. It's on the second line, I have to check my notes, the Sukhumvit line. If you take a single journey ticket, it's going to cost you between 15 to 50 baht, and that will depend on how many zones you are crossing. And then you could also take a day pass, and that will cost about 130 baht. Oh, by the way, baht is the currency here in Thailand. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a boat to the other side of the river where I can take the Skytrain. So in the hotel I'm staying at, they have the little boat service. And I told them I wanted to go to Skytrain, and it's one of the stops. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Going to the back. Woo! This way. A little tip, when you have no idea where to go, follow the crowd. It's usually a sign. Everybody's going that way, so that's where I'm gonna go. And I was right. You can buy the ticket at the ticket office or at the machine. The machine only accepts coins, so you have to get change, and I'm gonna get some change here. Yeah, 10 baht coin. Thank you. Okay, here they are. Whatever is in yellow is where you are, and I want to go to Siam. So I have to go in the direction of National Stadium. Do not go in the direction of Bangkok, okay, because I'm going that way. I'm here and I want to go to here, and that means I have to pay 34 baht, okay, 34. So these are the prices, 34 baht. So it gives you change. Okay. Now if you want to wanted to make a transfer, you're here and you actually want to go to this metro line for some reason, what you have to do is you pay 42. You don't have to pay the 34 and then up to here, you just pay 42. On the back of the card you see all the train stops. Okay, so you can check there just to follow where you're going and where you are. Also on the other side, you have to look for this little arrow, and that's the direction you point the card in. Okay, now we have to go towards the direction I said before, to National Stadium. If you wanted to go towards Bangkok, it would be on that side. Oh, whenever you see an I is the information, tourist information.
Next station, Siam. Interchange with Sukhumvit line. Doors will open on the right-hand side of the train.
Change to the Sukhumvit line here. So notice the platform. People come out of here and you go in here. You have to stand on line here.